Somewhere beneath this lid, something has waited 3 days. Underneath, 8 eyes track every vibration on the surface. Every footstep sends a signal down silk trip lines. This is a Bothriocyrtum californicum, the trapdoor spider. It has no idea what waits 1 inch below. 3 days of stillness for a single decisive moment. The lid rises. The ambush begins. In 1/10 of a second, the hunt is decided. The strike is faster than the cricket can process. Venom begins working before the cricket can struggle free. The meal is pulled underground in seconds. Within moments, all evidence of the ambush disappears. From above, this patch of ground looks like nothing at all. This meal must sustain her for weeks underground. But new danger is already approaching from a different direction. This wasp specializes in hunting spiders exactly like her. She can detect the faint outline of a sealed burrow. She has found it, the hidden seam in the soil. She works to pry the hidden door open by force. Underground, she braces every leg against the door. This is a tug of war neither can afford to lose. Sunlight breaks into the burrow for the first time in days. She abandons the entrance for a hidden inner tunnel. The door is breached. The fortress is compromised. She follows the spider into the darkness itself. Cornered, she has only one option left: to fight. The hunter and the ambusher finally meet face to face. She strikes before the wasp can position her own sting. The wasp pulls back. This prey fought harder than expected. But she has one sting left, and she means to use it. There is nowhere left in the tunnel to run. This single moment will decide who leaves the burrow. She traps the sting before it can find its mark. This time the venom finds a vital joint. The hunter becomes the hunted, deep in her own darkness. 3 days of stillness has taught her patience pays off. Bothriocyrtum californicum spends nearly its entire life underground. Her 8 eyes detect motion, but not fine detail. She relies far more on vibration than on sight. Dozens of trapdoors can hide within a single hillside. She builds the lid from silk woven with soil and debris. Her venom is mild to humans, but lethal to her prey. Silk lining keeps the tunnel walls from collapsing over time. Females can live over a decade inside a single burrow. She leaves the fallen wasp behind and moves toward daylight. The door that failed to protect her must now be rebuilt. She works methodically, repairing the breach thread by thread. Camouflage is rebuilt 1 grain of sand at a time. Within hours, the fortress disappears from sight once more. She settles, back into the stillness that defines her life. New trip lines extend outward, resetting her early warning system. 1 ambush. 1 battle survived. Countless more still ahead. As evening falls, the hillside returns to silence. She survived by becoming invisible, then by becoming lethal. Not through speed, not through size, through patience. Waiting in nature can be the sharpest weapon of all. Somewhere below, she has already begun waiting again. This is survival, measured not in motion, but in stillness. Tomorrow, or in 3 days, something will pass overhead again. In the smallest lives, the greatest patience often hides.